Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to share one of my real project experience where I have implemented Ignition with OEE capabilities. In my last video I've covered what is OEE, right? I've also spoken about some of the challenges and benefit when you connect your SCADA to a SAP platform. So this is more of a experience and a very real-time kind of video with benefits and challenges I have faced. Again, to stress more and to be clear, it's not a sponsored video. Ignition has not paid me anything to promote them. It is more of a experience and flexibility which I got with this software in a digital factory. So let's get started. Implementing Ignition with OE capabilities, right? This has not only transformed our manufacturing processes but also delivered significant operational and monetary benefits. As a digital manufacturing leader, I had the privilege of guiding a highly capable team through this endeavor, ensuring a smooth and successful implementation. We will see in the further slides the details of how this project unfolded. Let's understand one thing, that no project can succeed without a strong and cohesive team. Doesn't matter how knowledgeable you are as a leader or how knowledgeable you are as a site leader, and to want get things done. Only money doesn't help. You need to identify the strong cohesive team with a good experience. So I was fortunate to work alongside a dynamic group that included our project manager who ensured timelines were met, system integrators who brought this technical solution of Ignition to life. Then there was a site manufacturing team, because let's understand one thing. Site manufacturing team are the ones who provide you the on-ground expertise for process integrations. They will be only keeping your infrastructure ready so that you can deploy Ignition and connect to the right number of devices. Without them, you cannot do anything in the real time. Ignition could be just installed as a standalone operation, doing nothing in your site. Apart from that, there were the business partners who brought the external expertise on the table, and they also acted as a bridge between the technical team and the business requirements. So together we tackled challenges, leveraged strength, and delivered an outcome that succeeded expectations. So I hope I'm clear. This is the most important part. Having the core team involved every time on a continuous basis is the key to success. Your technical knowledge, your money, everything comes as a secondary thing. If you don't have it, you will fail. So to succeed, having a core team is the key. Now the vision behind this project was simple but ambitious: to drive manufacturing excellence through data-driven insight and real-time monitoring. My goal as a leader was to ensure that this implementation not only addressed current operational needs but also aligned with our long-term business goals. By focusing on OEE, we aimed to unlock the true potential of our production processes while laying the groundwork for scalability and innovation. Leadership is about setting foundation for success. At the outset, my priority was to clearly define the project scope and align all stakeholders on our objective. Through strategic planning, resource allocation, and ensuring the IT and OT infrastructure readiness. So this is again a very key thing, that the infrastructure at the site you are going to deploy Ignition or any SCADA platform like this need to be ready. So let's say if your Wi-Fi connections and other connectivities are not working and the IT OT infrastructure is not in sync, things are bound to fail because they are your foundation. Regular workshop and discussion has also helped us maintain alignment and enthusiasm across the team. The technical implementation, right, required careful planning and precise execution. Under my leadership, the team successfully installed the Ignition gateway, set up the necessary database connection, and configured tags for real-time data collection. By leveraging the OEE template provided by Ignition, so Ignition provides you the OEE templates, so you can choose from a bunch of them. We were able to quickly develop user-friendly dashboards. These dashboards became a critical tool for decision making, empowering both site teams and leadership with actionable insights. One of the standout advantages of Ignition was its out-of-the-box capability. With the help of our system integrator, we implemented some pre-built templates that accelerated deployment and ensured scalability. My role was to ensure that these solutions were customized to meet our specific business needs while maintaining a user-friendly interface. This allowed us to achieve the rapid adoption across teams and immediate visibility into key metrics, what my team and the business wanted to see. Now let's talk result. The project has been a game changer for our operations. We have achieved a 15 to 20% improvement in OEE across production lines and reduced machine downtime significantly. These gains translated into substantial cost saving and a very quick return on investment. This success is a testament to the combined efforts of our team and shared commitment to operational excellence. I cannot stress enough on the importance of teamwork in this project. Each member of the team brought unique expertise that was critical to our success. As the leader, I focused on bridging the gap between technical teams and the business stakeholders, ensuring that everyone worked toward a unified vision. By fostering collaboration and maintaining open lines of communication, we were able to navigate challenges and deliver results. Now let's talk about some of the monetary impact of this project. So by reducing downtime, we saved around $10,000 a month. The improved throughput added $20,000 additional dollars to our monthly revenue, and the automation further optimized labor cost with a saving of $12,000 a month. Together, these improvements have significantly strengthened our bottom line, making this initiative a truly valuable investment. And our total gain was $42,000 a month, and which turns out to be like a $500,000, right, annually, like 504k dollars annually, right, which is huge. And of course, no project is without its challenges. Integrating with legacy systems, managing resistance to change, and ensuring real-time data accuracy were some hurdles we faced. But through phased migration, continuous training, and robust data validation processes, we overcame these challenges very effectively. These solutions were not just reactive but also proactive, and they ensured a long-term success. As a leader, this project reinforced the importance of clear communication, trust, and alignment. Regular updates kept everyone on the same page, while a shared vision motivated the team to go to the extra mile. The most important lesson was understanding that technology is only as effective as people and processes supporting it are. By empowering our team, we were enable and we make them able to turn potential obstacle into opportunities for growth. Looking ahead, our journey doesn't stop here. We plan to scale this implementation to additional production lines, and we also plan to introduce predictive maintenance capabilities in future and expand dashboard with advanced analytics. As a leader, I am committed to fostering a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring that we remain at the forefront of digital manufacturing innovation. To conclude, this project is a shining example of how strategic leadership, collaborative teamwork, and the right technology can drive transformative changes. By implementing Ignition with OE capabilities, we have not only achieved measurable operational and monetary benefits, but also laid the foundation for a smarter, more efficient future. Now, I would like to hear your thoughts and questions. So please write in the comment box whether it's about challenges we faced, the solution we implemented, or the result we achieved. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching this video.